Have you ever been excited to set up your website with SSL, only to be hit with an error message that leaves you scratching your head? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the frustrating world of Apache configuration errors. I totally get it. You're trying to secure your site, and then bam! An error pops up saying, Invalid Command SSLEngine. It can feel like a roadblock, but don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face this issue when configuring Apache for SSL. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently asked, why am I getting the error message about SSLEngine when I try to enable my SSL configuration? They were following the steps to set up their virtual host but hit a snag. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So what's going on here? The error message indicates that the SSLEngine command is either misspelled or that the necessary module isn't loaded in your Apache configuration. This is a common hiccup, but we can fix it. And stick around. I'll share a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the error regarding the SSLEngine command, the user should first ensure that the SSL module is enabled in Apache. This is crucial for SSL configurations to work properly. Next, the user should verify that the virtual host configuration file is correctly set up for SSL. This includes ensuring that the SSLEngine directive is present within the appropriate virtual host block. After confirming the configuration, the user should check for any syntax errors in the Apache configuration files. This can be done using a specific command. Finally, if everything is set up correctly, the user should restart Apache again to ensure all changes take effect. This will help in applying the SSL settings properly. Fun fact, the first version of Apache was released in 1995, and it has come a long way since then. Just like technology, troubleshooting can sometimes feel like a journey. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a few steps to resolve the SSLEngine error. First, test your Apache configuration for syntax errors using the command apache2ctl config-test or sudo apache2ctl config-test. If the syntax is correct, you'll see a confirmation message. If you encounter the SSLEngine error, the next step is to enable the SSL module by running sudo a2nmod ssl. After that, restart Apache with sudo apache-ctl restart. This should help resolve the issue. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user involves installing the SSL module for Apache. They suggest running the command to install mod SSL, enabling the SSL module, and then restarting Apache to apply the changes. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests checking your Apache configuration. First, open the invalid.conf file located in your Apache folder. Then search for the line that reads load modules mod ssl.so. Remove the hashtag to uncomment this line. Finally, save your changes and restart Apache. Here's the tip I promised. Always check that the necessary modules are enabled before configuring your virtual hosts. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should be able to configure your SSL without any issues now. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle common Apache errors.